In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Then click on this red button at the bottom left corner to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the middle one. Now to play your recording, just click on it and use play button. You can also manage all of those options by clicking on the chosen ones. To rename your recording, hold it, hit rename at the bottom and type in wherever you want to. Then hit OK. To delete it though, you need to hold it again, but this time select delete between rename and more and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!